Make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make by not testing fuses. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. And if you guys try to find the fuse for the front right headlights, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located. We'll talk why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. So make sure to stay until the end. All that will be covered in this video today. So what do we have specifically here? 2018 Dodge Challenger that we'll be working on. So this is guys the Dodge right here. Most people automatically will open the hood and they will try to look for that Dodge guys. Dodge Challenger fuse right here under the hood fuse box next to the engine, but this is actually for engine management. It's not here guys, it's actually all the way to the back. And if you look right here, car was in a little bit of an accident but runs and drives like a champ. Amazing car. We'll be rebuilding it soon, very low mileage. So we'll open the trunk and we'll explain which fuse you will need to check. Now for that, always turn the ignition off. Always, in some cases you may need to even disconnect car batteries when changing fuses. I'm going to get something red to point with, okay, and show you which fuse it is. But on these modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way you can burn the electronics. So there is a video that talks about which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out and you will find out why. So we'll press here, pull up, okay, and come like that. Now which fuse guys we need to check for that? Specifically guys, for that specific purpose, okay, before we start let me just tell you one common mistake people make. If you do not test fuses guys, okay, you may put a bad fuse back in that you thought it was good and you will waste time and money to fix a problem that doesn't exist. So always test fuses. You will not be able to clearly see if a fuse is burning in some cases. So I would recommend to always test them. We'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. So all that will be covered in our video. The fuse that we need to check, we start from the very left going to the right. Even if you have a missing one, you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That fuse right here, that's the fuse that you need to check. If you still have problems and the fuse is good but still have problems with front right headlight not working, we'll explain what else can cause that. We'll put a link where you can buy these replacement fuses from. I'll grab a new one quick, okay, and push it back in. So what else can cause that? Sometimes the body control module can register that the fuse was burnt or there was a short in the circuit, and at that point guys you will need to use a scanner to reset the body control module and the car computer. So let's show you what we use here now. So this is guys the computer that we use. That's amazing stuff. I'm telling you, this works on almost any car you can think of. You can see all the cars that are supported here, and you can access every computer system. You can read codes, delete codes, see live data. Amazing too, that can save you quite a bit of money. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check out the current price and features. But in some cases you may need to reset the body control module or the codes, but that's not very often. We've seen it happen only a few times. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.